This one is the easiest French pastry hack that you've ever seen, and anyone can do it, even a 3rd grader. We're gonna be making a Bostock. It's basically a pastry with jam and an almond topping. Delicious. So into my food processor, I'm gonna add some almond flour. If you guys want the full recipe, I'll have it listed in the description box below. Sugar, an egg yolk, a pinch of salt to balance everything out, and then we'll punch up the almond flavor with some almond extract. Now just give it a whirl until it's nice and blended and then set it aside. It took on this like yellow color because our yolk was so rich and orangey, but it should kind of stick together like this. Nice and pasty. So here I have a loaf of brioche bread. Usually it comes sliced, I couldn't find it, so I'm just gonna slice it myself into about 1-inch thick pieces. Soft and buttery, but we're gonna add a little bit more butter. And then with Bostocks, you can usually find it with apricot jam, but I really love cherry and almonds, so I'm using cherry preserves and apricot. We'll do a mixture. And now with my frangipane topping, I'm just gonna break it up right on top of our toast. It'll continue to expand and spread as you bake it up, so it doesn't have to cover the whole toast too much. Now I'm gonna transfer our toast onto a baking sheet. Add some sliced almonds on top. You can cover the whole thing or you can just do it in the center. I'll do a combo of both. And just bake it in the oven at 375 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes until the frangipane, our almond topping, is nice and golden brown. Oh, it looks beautiful and it smells incredible. I'm gonna let it cool for about 5 minutes and then we're gonna dust it with some powdered sugar. And how about that hack? Basically, it looks like you spent hours in the kitchen baking up a French pastry, but like it took no time at all. Bon appetit! C'est bon. That was incredible. Make this for your next brunch or even your next breakfast, and yeah, you guys are gonna like this one. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy recipes. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!